A warm good morning to all. Today we are going to see the case study on Python programming language. Why the Python programming language is popular in nowadays? Actually, the Python was developed in the year of 1991 itself. That at the time it was very simple language, but don't know what is going to happen after 2020. 2020 Python it plays the vital role in and around the world. Even the Google, Amazon, YouTube, where whatever the things which is happening in these things, everything behind this they are using the Python programming languages. It will use the infinity codes. The infinity codes it use the productive design. The time of first week work as soon as possible. It requires only less time, less efforts to complete the coding part. It will take only for learning also it take only less number of time, but also it have a less number of time and less number of coding. It will use it for developing an applications. Even if you are seeing these examples, if you are coding with the it is a Java programming code. The Python code it is very less than Java's code. Cost wise also it is very low, and it will mainly it will be used for the business purpose. If you say for example you can consider this one. The programming it will be typed like as we are speaking. Next one is code readability. The code readability is it's like a English like command, simple syntax, and these two things it make our job is very easy. Next one is mainly the Python programming languages, it will be used for rise of data and AI. Mainly it will be used for data science, machine learnings. In 2020 it is growing very fastly up. It's like a self-driving car, and in self-driving car it is used AI and data science. Why they are using the R programming? When it is compared with the older languages, it is very easy to use. It's like we are having a large number of data. That also it will be easy to manage, and very simple syntax. There is no need to follow these structures and all like C programming languages. The next one is it will be mainly a open source language, and everything it is combined as a package, whereas while you are going with an C programming languages it use the header files, but here it will use the Python languages packages. The Python when it is compared with the AI both are growing in same level. It will be sponsored by the corporate. Mainly the corporate languages it use the programming languages like C#, Google. In Google it used the Java it will be used in and PHP for Facebook, but the Google it used the Python languages for programming languages. For web, for each and everything they are using a Python programming language. Google, Amazon, Microsoft nowadays they have started to use the Python programming languages because it is more secured one. When you are for learning and all we can spend only minimal time. There is no need to spend more time to learn the programming languages. Next one is resources. The resources it is that like tutorials it is developed by the Google itself. It is stored in a Google storage. Whenever if we want to learn a Python programming language, we can search from the Google itself, and It is a healthy and supportive community. For developing a web pages, older days we have used HTML and all. Even though if we are using for low network quality and all, it will shows the 404 errors. But while you are going with an Python programming language, it is everything is rectified. Thank you for watching.